Hello, welcome back to our channel Kids and Teens. Due to some technical errors, I have changed the name of our channel from Kids and Teens to Jyoti's Edu Hub. Today, I am going to share you about the cardiovascular system, heart and the functions of heart, the structure of heart, etc. The cardiovascular system is sometimes called the blood vascular or simply the circulatory system. It consists of the heart, which is a muscular pumping device, and a closed system of vessels called arteries, veins, and capillaries. As the name implies, blood contained in the circulatory system is pumped by the heart around a closed circle or circuit of vessels as it passes again and again through the various circulations of the body. As in the adult, survival of the developing embryo depends on the circulation of blood to maintain homeostasis and a favorable cellular environment. In response to this need, the cardiovascular system makes its appearance early in development and reaches a functional state long before any other major organ system. Incredible as it seems, the primitive heart begins to beat regularly early in the fourth week following fertilization. The vital role of the cardiovascular system in maintaining homeostasis depends on the continuous and controlled movement of blood through the thousands of miles of capillaries that permeate every tissue and reach every cell in the body. It is in the microscopic capillaries that blood performs its ultimate transport function. Nutrients and other essential materials pass from capillary blood into fluids surrounding the cells as waste products are removed. Numerous control mechanisms help to regulate and integrate the diverse functions and component parts of the cardiovascular system in order to supply blood to specific body areas according to need. These mechanisms ensure a constant internal environment surrounding by each body cell, regardless of differing demands for nutrients or production of waste products. These mechanisms ensure a constant internal environment surrounding each body cell regardless of differing demands for nutrients or production of waste products. The heart is a muscular pump that provides the force necessary to circulate the blood to all the tissues in the body. Its function is vital because to survive, the tissues needs a continuous supply of oxygen and nutrients, and metabolic waste products have to be removed. Deprived of these necessities, cells soon undergo irreversible changes that lead to death. While blood is a transport medium, the heart is the organ that keeps the blood moving through the vessels. The normal adult heart pumps about 5 liters of blood every minute throughout life. If it loses its pumping effectiveness for even a few minutes, the individual's life is jeopardized. Next one is structure of the heart. The human heart is a four-chambered muscular organ shaped and sized roughly like a man's closed fist with 2/3 of the mass to the left of midline. The heart is enclosed in a pericardial sac that is lined with the parietal layers of a serous membrane. The visceral layer of the serous membrane forms the epicardium. Layers of the heart wall. 3 layers of tissue form the heart wall. The outer layer of the heart wall is the epicardium, the middle layer is the myocardium, and the inner layer is the endocardium. The internal cavity of the heart is divided into 4 chambers, that is right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium, and left ventricle. The 2 atria are thin-walled chambers that receive blood from the veins. The 2 ventricles are thick-walled chambers that forcibly pump blood out of the heart. Differences in thickness of the heart chamber walls are due to variations in the amount of myocardium present, which reflects the amount of force each chamber is required to generate. The right atrium receives deoxygenated blood from systemic veins. The left atrium receives oxygenated blood from the pulmonary veins. Pumps need a set of valves to keep the fluid flowing in one direction, and the heart is no exception. The heart has 2 types of valves that keeps the blood flowing in the correct direction. The valves between the atria and ventricles are called atrioventricular valves, also called cuspid valves, while those at the bases of the large vessels leaving the ventricles are called semilunar valves. The right atrioventricular valve is a tricuspid valve. The left atrioventricular valve is a bicuspid or mitral valve. The valve between the right ventricle and pulmonary trunk is a pulmonary semilunar valve. The valve between the left ventricle and the aorta is the aortic semilunar valve. When the ventricles contract, atrioventricular valves close to prevent blood from flowing back into the atria. When the ventricles relax, semilunar valves close to prevent blood from flowing back into the ventricles. Pathway of blood through the heart. While it is convenient to describe the flow of blood through the right side of the heart and then through the left side, it is important to realize that both atria and ventricles contract at the same time. The heart works as two pumps, one on the right and one on the left, working simultaneously. Blood flows from the right atrium to the right ventricle and then is pumped to the lungs to receive oxygen. From the lungs, the blood flows to the left atrium, then to the left ventricle. From there is pumped to the systemic circulation. Blood supply to the myocardium. The myocardium of the heart wall is a working muscle that needs a continuous supply of oxygen and nutrients to function efficiently. For this reason, cardiac muscle has an extensive network of blood vessels to bring oxygen to the contracting cells and to remove waste products. The right and left coronary arteries, branches of the ascending aorta, supply blood to the walls of the myocardium. After blood passes through the capillaries in the myocardium, it enters a system of cardiac veins. Most of the cardiac veins drain into the coronary sinus, which opens into the right atrium. If you like this video, do like and share. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe. Thank you.